Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Bluetooth issues in iOS. If you are using any iPhone device and you are facing any Bluetooth issue that your Bluetooth is not pairing or is not enabling, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, just go to your settings and here go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software because sometimes it might be a software glitch or a software issue which could be easily fixed by fixing or updating your software. So once you updated your software, just go back from here and you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix manage glitches. Not to do this, just quickly press and release the volume up and volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry it to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if you still not fixed your issue, go to your settings app here. Just go to screen time section. Go to content and privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. After disabling restrictions, you have to check if it has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, go to General, go to Transfer Reset iPhone, select Reset, then select Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network. It will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Or and after resetting your network setting, if it's still not fixed your issues, you have a single way. Just go back and open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use the Apple Support app. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select Bluetooth, and here just wait for the loading, and then tap on get more app, then tap on callers. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number, and you will be connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.